Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making vegan empanadas. An empanada is a type of baked or fried turnover with filling common in Southern European, Latin American and the Philippines culture. If you are new to my channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more vegan videos, please go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. Preparing the dough. To a bowl, add 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Take around 100 grams of chilled vegan butter. Add it gradually to the flour and then with the help of a fork, combine it with the flour. It is important that the butter is cold and not at the room temperature. The colder the better. Once all the vegan butter is well combined with the flour, add 6 to 7 tablespoons of ice water to it gradually. Combine it well. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. We don't have to knead a lot, but just a little so the dough is well combined. Once the dough comes together, I'm dividing it into 2 parts, which is not required, but I will be using only half of it for the recipe, so I'm making the division. Refrigerate the dough for a minimum of 30 minutes. Step number 2. Stuffing the empanadas. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 4 cloves of grated garlic. Switch the heat to low so the garlic doesn't burn. Stir fry the garlic for a minute. Add half medium chopped bell pepper. Cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. Then add 150 grams of boiled corn and around 200 grams of boiled black beans. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of mango powder. You can always add spices as per your taste. Mix everything and let it cook for 2 minutes over medium heat. Then finally add some fresh coriander leaves and give it a mix again. Switch off the heat and let it rest while we roll out the dough for the empanadas. Step number 3. Preparing the empanadas. Take the dough out of the refrigerator. Add some dry flour and start to roll out the dough. Remember, it's easier to work with the dough if it's cold. If you feel that the weather is warm, you can always place the dough back in the refrigerator and start working on it back again later. Roll it out thin or as per the thickness you want the empanadas to be. Don't worry about the shape as we are eventually going to cut them. Then use a cutter or a bowl to get the round empanada sheets. Just press and rotate the bowl to cut the round sheet. Once you have cut all the sheets, roll the remaining dough back and repeat the same process of rolling out and cutting. I was able to get 7 sheets out of the half dough. Then take the sheet and add some dry flour and roll it further a little bit. Add the stuffing as per the size. I have added 2 tablespoons and rather I am reducing it a little, otherwise the empanadas won't close properly. Add some grated vegan cheese, which is optional. In order to seal the edges, I am applying a very thin layer of water and then folding the empanadas. Press it gently without breaking it. Also try to push the stuffing towards the end away from the edges. Now the fun part. Take a fork and you can give it the standard empanada artwork. You may always choose to change the folding as per your choice. For me, this is easy and fancy at the same time. Repeat the same with the remaining empanadas. Then take a baking tray and add all the empanadas on it with some distance. Now brush the empanadas lightly with some vegan butter or olive oil. This will help to give that nice golden color to the empanadas. Step number 4. Bake the empanadas over 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes in an oven. The vegan oven baked empanadas are ready. Let me cut it and show you. It's so hot right now. Be careful and please don't burn yourself, as the empanadas will be hotter on the inside because of all the steam. They are cooked beautifully and are crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside. You can make them and freeze them for later use too. They are so easy to prepare in bulk and perfect for meal preps, as you can always have them with different stuffings. Please let me know in the comments what's your favorite filling for empanadas. So, if you liked today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. If you are still looking for more vegan videos, check out this easy vegan playlist. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.